My friend May shared this fantastic recipe for traditional Vietnamese cookies with me, and I am thrilled to share it with you. These cookies are called pig's ear cookies because of their cute spiral shape and are such a treat. They are crispy, sweet, and have a lovely hint of cacao. I had so much fun making these, and I hope you will too. Here is the original recipe my friend May shared with me.
Start by mixing 3 tablespoons of sugar with 3.5 tablespoons of coconut milk and a pinch of salt, stirring until the sugar is fully dissolved. Add 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 beaten egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of lime juice and mix well. Divide 170 grams of flour into 2 bowls and add 1 teaspoon of cacao powder to 1 bowl. Then add half of the egg and butter mixture and knead until it forms a dough. Then add the remaining egg and butter mixture to another bowl and knead into a dough. Next, roll the brown dough into a thin sheet about half a centimeter thick, as you can see here. Roll the yellow dough into a sheet of the same size. Brush water on the yellow dough, then place the brown dough on top. The water helps them stick together. Give a gentle roll with a rolling pin to press the sheets together, then tightly roll the dough into a log like this. Wrap the dough log tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for about 2 hours to firm up and make it easier to cut into cookies. After chilling, take the dough log out of the refrigerator and cut it in half. Use a sharp knife to slice the log into thin cookies as you see me doing here. Make sure the slices are all about the same thickness so they cook evenly. Deep fry the cookies in hot oil for about 10 seconds on each side, making sure the yellow part stays pale and does not turn brown.
If you liked this deliciously crispy Vietnamese cookie recipe, be sure to check out how to make this creamy and refreshing Vietnamese avocado smoothie here.